So next thing is we would like to explore its dashboard. So let's say I want to create a sample dashboard, test dashboard. Okay, so I need to add a new title. Title actually mean that we have select queries or SQL queries. So let me type select from select static from my table name is, let's say, if I am not remember, then I can take from here sample table. This is just or I have run this query, so we have a data here. Okay, so this is one. I am going to display this value. Okay, now I want to go some chart on my dashboard. I am going to add again select star from table name. So you can take another not same sample test database. You can select any database which is available in Snowflake on a dashboard, but for the sake of example I am restricted to schema. Okay, from sample table, and I want full name comma sum of amount I am telling amount name, so as we do in previous example. Okay, I'm missing group by is missing, so full name. And let me in this right now I'm not order by using order by. So we have a data, and now I'm going to create a chart on it again. So we have a chart, and if I want to use a column full name, let's say, and I'm going to use bar chart, and my full name is series. No, actually, yeah, so this is, and I don't want here. So yeah, so if I want color, so I can add here, but if I don't want color, so I can. So keep it simple for this demo purpose, and let me go return here. So we have this. So our dashboard is now ready.